Well, it's time to get up and get moving. It's the Green Monster Day. Whew. Perfect. What is up, guys? Welcome back to TK's Garage. And this is a very short pre-auction video. Oh, wow. I didn't know it was that clear behind me. But what we're going to be doing is I'm going to get in and we're going to take a final look at the pre-auction price of where we're at. We got about 20 minutes before the auction starts. I need to get a cup of coffee and get ready to bid my ass off. Oh, but without further ado, let's open up the screen recorder. Let's get into the app and see where the car's at. All right, as you guys can see here, we're at $18,200 right now on the car. I'm currently outbid. The highest bid that I had on it was like $16,400, and I can't pre-bid anymore. We have to wait till the auction starts, and we have about 21 minutes until that time. It doesn't seem like a long time away. It all really just depends too on how far down the list this thing is, and we're going to look for it now. And it looks like it's one of the very first cars that comes up. So about 20 minutes in, once the auction starts. Wow, man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Well, let's see what happens. And like I said, I have my number on what I'm willing to bid. I'm not going to overbid. All right, guys. So there you have it. I'm having my steamy hot coffee. And spoiler, I'm not willing to go much higher than where it is right now. Knowing everything that's wrong with the car. And I feel bad. I really do. I feel bad for the person that overpays for the car. Because, like, one, they're never going to get it right bodywork wise. And if it's a dealer, they're not going to care. They're just going to throw an interior. They'll take this driver's seat out and put a stock interior in it for cheap and just try to flip it for some money, which more power to them. But I think whoever, if I don't win the car, I think whoever does win the car is going to be really upset. They're going to be really upset when they realize just how bad the car is. But anyways, we're keeping a positive frame of mind on deck, and we are actively going to push to win this car. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. You guys can follow along in real time if you want, going through the Copart app. You can go to copart.com/TK's Garage. Major shout out to all my sponsors who will be linked in the description down below. And let's see if we can win it.